Introduction. Organizational behavior is the study of how individual and group interact in an organization. It focuses on employee behavior, communication, teamwork, and decision-making. From an Islamic perspective, values such as honesty, trust, discipline, and responsibility are emphasized. Organizational behavior is important because it helps improve productivity and management effectiveness. There are three levels in organizational behavior, which are individuals, group, and organization. Besides that, human resources management also plays an important role in employee development. In addition, teamwork and group behavior are important to archive organizational goals effectively. In the case of MyBank, the company applies the concept of humanizing financial service to encourage teamwork and customer-focused service. MyBank applies the concept of humanizing financial service, which means the company focuses on customer-friendly service, employee cooperation, and building trust with customers. Company background. Malaya Banking Berhad or MyBank was established in 1960 in Kuala Lumpur by Khoo Teck Puat. Since its establishment, MyBank has grown rapidly and become one of the largest financial institutions in Malaysia and South Asia. Initially, MyBank aimed to provide banking facilities for local communities and small business. Over time, the company expanded to neighboring countries such as Singapore, Brunei, and others. Today, MyBank offers various financial services including loans, saving, insurance, investment, and Islamic banking. It also introduced digital platforms such as MyBank to You, and MMAE to make banking easier for customers.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Afika Aiman binti Muhammad Amdi. My metric numbers is 1251259. Today, I will present the analysis of organizational behavior, focusing on group behavior and teamwork. First, organizational behavior is the study of individual and group behavior within an organization. It helps organization understand how employees interact, communication, and work together to achieve company goals. By understanding organizational behavior, organization can improve employee performance, productivity, and workplace relationship. Next, the importance of group behavior. Group behavior refers to how employees interact and cooperate when working together. Positive group behavior improves communication, trust, cooperation, and employee motivation. When employees work well as a team, they can complete tasks more efficiently and contribute to organization success. According to Robin and George, effective teamwork helps organization improve productivity and cooperation efficiency. Next, communication and teamwork. Effective communication allows employees to share ideas, coordinate tasks, and reduce misunderstanding. At the same time, teamwork enables employees to combine their skills, knowledge, and experience to achieve common goals. Teams that have trust, share responsibility, and commitment usually perform better and achieve their high organization success. For example, in a bank such as Maybank, different departments must communicate and work together to provide efficient service to customers. Next, Tuckman's group development theory. According to Branch Tuckman, team goes through 5 stages: forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. During the forming stage, members learn how their role and responsibility. In the storming stage, conflict may occur due to different opinion and working style. In the norming stage, cooperation improves. In the performing stage, the team work efficiently and achieve high productivity. Finally, in the adjourning stage, the project or task is complete. In conclusion, group behavior and teamwork are essential for organization success. Effective communication, cooperation, and strong teamwork help employees improve better and achieve organization goals. Therefore, organizations should encourage positive group behavior and effective teamwork to maintain a productive work environment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haziq Nazrin bin Hairun Ishab and my metric number is 1250306. So today I will talk about strength and weakness of group behavior in Maybank. First of all, I will talk about strength of group behavior in Maybank. Firstly, strong goal alignment via Tiger core values, which is can encourage high cooperative group dynamics and allow the workers to work seamlessly across the department. Second, high ethical standards, which is Maybank heavily shaped and influenced by strict ethical standards and the guidelines. And lastly, align with equality and purpose-driven focus. Such example is M25 Plus goals is the next 5 years strategic growth planning in Maybank. So they can encourage the relationship and building and strategic financial solution. Next, we move to the weakness of group behavior in Maybank. Firstly, slower agility. Slower cross-departmental decision-making because of the traditional hierarchy in Maybank. Second, resistant to digital adaptation. This is because they may feel lack of the confidence toward the security and safety matter of online system banking. And lastly, performance pressure. Big goals can sometimes foster internal departmental competition, so the workers can be blurred about the work, and because of that, they may feel the pressure and trigger their performance. Next, we move to the strength and weakness of teamwork in Maybank. First of all, I will talk about strength of teamwork in Maybank. Firstly, innovation of cross-functional departments. Combine the expert team from different departments to work as a one team. For example, how they build a MAE app. They combine software engineering, cybersecurity, and data analysis to build and maintain the app. Next, diverse and inclusive synergy. Mixing the different culture, age demographics, and also the background will bring a wide variety and idea to the table, so it will prevent a groupthink among the workers. And lastly, clear structure and goal alignment. Aligned with M25 plus goals, it will help to focusing on customer, digital transformation, and also sustainability. When goal is clear and defined, teams member generally have alignment and understanding what they need to do in the work. Next, we move to the weakness of teamwork in Maybank. Firstly, silo mentality. What is silo mentality? Silo mentality is when employees refuse to contribute and collaborate with their team to achieve the company goals. It is because of the push by the company toward the team to achieve the goals. Next, slow in decision making. It is because the big company require a multiple layer of approval and agreement, give heavily communication overhead and endless meeting and alignment session. It will lead to the frustration among the workers. And lastly, social loafing. Social loafing is when individuals put less effort when working in group compared when they work alone. So it will reduce company performance and reduce the morale among the workers and dragging down the team motivation.
In this section, I will explain the impact of group behavior and teamwork in Maybank. First, let us look at the impact of group behavior. Positive group behavior bring many benefits to Maybank. One of the main benefits is strengthening risk culture and ethical compliance. When employees work together, responsibility and follow organization policy, the bank can maintain high professional and ethical standard. Positive group behavior also support Maybank core value, known as the Tiger value, which help align employee with the organization's strategic goal. In addition, employees become more adaptable to change and technological modernization, allow the organization to stay competitive in the banking industry. However, negative group behavior can create serious problems. Poor cooperation and communication may lead to a breakdown in risk, culture, and regulatory compliance. Employee may also fail to practice the Tiger value, which can weaken the organization culture and direction. As a result, productivity may decrease, employee morale may decline, and staff turnover may increase. Next, let us discuss the impact of teamwork in Maybank. Positive teamwork helps prevent the silo mentality, where employees focus on their own department. Instead, teamwork encourages collaboration across different departments to achieve common goals. It also supports Maybank's mission of humanizing financial service by ensuring employees work together to provide better service and customer experience. Furthermore, effective teamwork creates a positive work environment, making Maybank a great place to work and helping the organization attract and then retain talented employees. On the other hand, effective teamwork can have negative consequences. Employees may become more focused on protecting their own work rather than collaborating with others. This can lead to a breakdown of the humanizing financial service mission and reduce service quality. Poor teamwork can also increase employee turnover and result in the loss of top talent, which can affect the organization long-term performance. In conclusion, both group behavior and teamwork have a significant impact on Maybank's success. Positive behavior and collaboration contribute to better performance, stronger organization culture, and higher employee satisfaction, while negative behavior can reduce productivity and organizational effectiveness. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amni binti Muhammad Zabidi and my metric 125.173. Next, we continue to finding and case study. Case study is to analyze how Maybank uses group behavior and teamwork in its daily operation. Our focus is to understand how these elements are institutionalized to create a high-performance workforce. First element is group behavior. At Maybank, group behavior is all about a value-driven culture. As mentioned by the chairman, Tan Sri Zamzerani, Maybank legacy is not just about making profits, but about the values they uphold. This is why, under the M35 Plus strategy, Maybank aims to become a value-driven platform. They also introduced the concept of a bionic workforce, where employees teach their collective mindset to use smart technology to work faster and smarter. Finally, the foundation of their group behavior is mutual respect and dignity. This means everyone's ideas are valued and all employees are treated equally, no matter what their job position is. Moving on the next slide, let's look at teamwork. Maybank believes that people can achieve much more when they work together as a team rather than working alone. To make teamwork successful, the group CEO, Datuk Khairul Saleh Ramli, highlighted that Maybank use agile ways of working. This means that teams are flexible, fast, and break down traditional departments well. The M35 Plus strategy helps teamwork by giving everyone a common goal. At Maybank, the shared target is intensifying customer centricity because every team member focus their energy on the same result, which is the customer. They can collaborate smoothly and successfully. In conclusion, Maybank proved that group behavior and teamwork must work together to achieve organizational success.
Move to the recommendation part. First of all, my name is Nurin Bashar binti Muhammad Nizam and my metric number is 1250879. Okay, the first one, we have collaborative work culture. So we need to foster cross-functional department collaboration. This means no working in silos. So it will enhance trust, communication and collective problem solving. The next is leadership and engagement. So the company must provide management training and regular constructive feedback. When the company doing this, it will build a motivation environment that increase between employee commitment. The third one is digital communication and knowledge sharing. So the company must implement collaborative app and knowledge sharing portal. So that will make the employee reduce communication gap and elevate customer service quality. Next, the fourth one is well-being and work-life balance. So the company must introduce mental health program and flexible working setup. So it can boost daily productivity and overall employee cooperation. The last one for recommendation is continuous training and skill development. The company must invest in regular workshop for technical and soft skill. So it will develop confident, highly skilled and motivated staff members. So let's move to the reflection part. First, the foundation of success. Teamwork and working together help Maybank serve customer better and reach its goal. The second one is the power of leadership and communication. When leaders communicate clearly and support their staff, employees feel trusted and are not afraid to share new ideas. The third one is adaptability and innovation. Banking is changing fast, so the team are open to a new technology to help Maybank stay ahead of competitors. The last one is the human element. When Maybank take care of employee health and happiness, the whole team works better together and the company grows stronger. That's all from me.
In conclusion, group behavior and teamwork play a vital role in the success of organizations such as Maybank. Effective cooperations among employees improve communications, increase motivation, enhance job satisfaction, and help work to be complete more efficiently. Furthermore, teamwork across different departments boosts productivity and contribute to better customer service quality. Respect, tolerance, and effective communication also help to reduce workplace conflict and create a positive working environment. In addition, teamwork enables employees to develop improve skills such as leadership, communications, and problem solving. Therefore, Maybank's continued success depends on strong cooperation among its employees to maintain organizational excellence and build customer trust. Thank you.